Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Screaming Frog with Google Analytics exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Screaming Frog with Google Analytics exports, start by launching the Screaming Frog SEO Spider application. Once the application is open, navigate to the top menu and click on Configuration. From the drop-down menu, select API Access. In the API Access section, choose Google Analytics. You will see a prompt to log into your Google account. Select the account associated with your Google Analytics property. After logging in, Screaming Frog will request permission to access your Google Analytics data. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once authenticated, return to the API Access settings. From here, you'll see options to choose the specific views you want to analyze. Select the Google Analytics view relevant to your project. Next, configure the date range for the data you wish to export. You can set parameters such as today, last 30 days, or custom as needed. After setting the date range, confirm your selections. Once everything is set, click OK to close the configuration window. Now, return to the main interface of Screaming Frog. To start the data extraction, go to Reports in the top menu. Choose Google Analytics from the Reports section. Screaming Frog will begin pulling data from your selected Google Analytics view. Once the data is fully extracted, you can review it within the Screaming Frog interface. You can export the data by clicking on the Export button in the top right corner. Save the file in your desired format for further analysis. With these steps completed, you have successfully authenticated Screaming Frog with Google Analytics exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.